What's the best skin brightening ingredient used in cosmetic and skincare products? Which one is better, vitamin C, niacinamide, or alpha-arbutin? Vitamin C works quickly, but it's unstable. Niacinamide is milder and great for sensitive skin. Alpha-arbutin is strong, but it needs to be used correctly. But actually, the best skin brightener is a combination of these ingredients. When vitamin C and niacinamide are used together, not only do dark spots fade, but the skin also looks more radiant. But the main point is that all of these only work if the cream's pH and formulation are correct. For example, vitamin C is only active in an acidic environment with a pH between 3.5 and 4.5. But niacinamide works better at a near-neutral pH, around 6. So if you mix these two together without adjusting the pH, they might not have any effect on your skin at all. Imagine we make two similar creams with the same base ingredients and active ingredients, but one has the correct pH and the other has the wrong pH. Even though these creams are made the same way, their texture, color, and most importantly, the absorption of their main ingredient into the skin are different. In the cream making course, we carefully learn how to adjust the pH level of a brightening cream to get the best results from it.